again. It's a rich thing.
The hair that I'm using today is Lulu Tress's Sensational Crochet Braid. This is in the color 1B Water Wave and it's 18 inches. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Creative P. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing that ponytail that you saw earlier in the intro. And to make that ponytail, I took a hair tie, I cut it in 2 pieces, then took like 2 thumbtacks, attached it to the end of the hair tie, and then I just attached it to my wall. And this is going to be the thing, the base that's going to hold the hair tie in place while I attached the hair to it. So you want to make sure that when you attach the hair tie that it's sturdy and it's not going to fall off, because the weight of the hair is going to kind of come down on it. So you want to make sure it's in place, because you wouldn't want this to fall to the ground or to the floor while you're attaching the hair. So to do this, I take like pieces of the hair. They already came separated in the pack. I think each pack has like 18 pieces total. So I take like 1 piece at a time and I just put it over the elastic band like so. And then I used a black rubber band to hold it in place. And then I continue doing this step until I have like the right amount of hair and thickness I want for the ponytail.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So this is what my hair is looking like. It's freshly washed. I didn't blow dry it or anything. I just left it to dry like overnight, and then I used like a warm brush to comb it out a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate my hair in 2 parts, because it's easier when you do sections by sections when you're trying to make a ponytail, and when you want your hair to lay as flat as possible. You don't want to go ahead and just try to do the whole thing in one, because you're gonna have like the hair bulging up underneath, and where you place like the gel on top, you're gonna have the hair like that didn't get any gel on it, like kind of bulging out, and it's not gonna be as flat as you would want it to be. So the easiest way is to do it section by section and make sure that all the hair have the product on it, and this will ensure a more smoother and flat laying of the hair. So I just go ahead and I separate the hair and put the gel in between, and I'll continue doing this for the whole front half of my hair first, and then I'll catch that up into a ponytail, and then after it's flat enough, I'll move on and do the same steps for the back, and then I'll just bring it all together up in one. So I ended up making 2 of these ponytail. I figured that 2 would be enough to cover the bun. I didn't want it to show when I put the ponytail. So this one I'm going to tie under. This one is going to be sitting under the bun, and then the other ponytail is going to be sitting over the bun, and this way I'm guaranteed my bun that I made with my hair won't be showing, because there would be enough hair sitting on top and also on the bottom to cover the bun. So I wanted to give my ponytail a more sophisticated look, so I take these pieces of braiding hair that I had sitting around my house and I braid 2 braids and then attach hairpins at the end, and this is what I'm using to wrap around the base of the ponytail and also to bring the hair closer together. And I really liked this look. I've seen it like so many times around the internet, so I wanted to have this braided base, so this is what I'm doing right here.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive, so I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying, it's only the foundation. I've been going crazy, just trying to find a way. I was in the basement, trying to turn the page. I was going through the phase. Nobody see my face. I was chasing out the paper, been all for the waiters, but everything again, ain't nothing left to lose. I've been breaking rules, I've been making moves, with everything to prove. Now it's going how I see it through my lens, but it's stuck in my head. I can't seem to get away from it. I went out of my way. I'm trying to feel the out again. I've lost somewhere in my head. I've been out here all on my own, holding tight to the pledge. I'm somewhere near the edge of wishing we never met. I'm scared of being without you, afraid no one ever know me. I'm out near the edge, and I can't get us out of my head yet. Looking like who I'm becoming, it's all I ever wanted. Never like me when you're sober, only like you when I'm lonely. Got me looking in the mirror for the self-diagnosis. Feel like they villainize me if they ever get to know me. They tell me that you need me, then your action didn't show it. Knowing that you play the angles, and I'm seeing through your motives.
So this will be the final step in this hairstyle, and that would be laying my edges. So I'm taking some Shine and Jam gel and I'm just laying down my edges so they can look sleek, and so this hairstyle can be completed and really look laid and look good. And still, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thank you so much for your support, and I'll definitely catch you for another video soon.